This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020 Gold Rush Football Vault 1-box eBay break. March 29th, 2020. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Rick1778 with the Bills, Steelers. We got Isaac Hayden 2004 with the Buccaneers, Patriots, and Titans. GVSU 333 with the Panthers, Broncos, Packers, Rams, Vikings, Niners, Redskins, Texans, and Raiders. We got Nick Tesla 7 with the Cardinals, Falcons, Lions, Chargers, Dolphins, Giants, Seahawks, Colts, and Jaguars. JMC Cown 2012 with the Eagles, WHT Dove 1995 with the Jets, Irishman Sports Cards with the Saints, Upstate Cards 74 with the Chiefs, Fast Shipping to You with the Cowboys, PJ Kizzy with the Browns, Cheem_87 with the Bengals, RIMCDO-65 with the Bears, and CDR.Shepherd rocking the Ravens. That is your full lineup. Okay, we've got your 2020 Gold Rush Football Vault box here. I do love the high-end hits in this product. We got 3 hits here in this box. Let's get the plastic off first. Cracking the seal. And now I got that side. There we go. Alright, and we've got 1, 2, and 3. And your empty box. Okay, we got 3 hits. Hit number 1 coming your way. Here we go. Let's get it started. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, what do we got here? We've got a 2012 Topps Chrome Ryan Tannehill rookie with an authentic autograph on it. Beckett authentication with the Beckett. Wow, that's sweet looking. I really like that orange auto on the Tannehill. That's going to be going to the Dolphins. Topps Chrome rookie with the auto. 2012 Topps Chrome Ryan Tannehill with the authentic auto. Alright. Get it together, camera. There we go. Real nice Tannehill. Topps Chrome rookie with the authentic auto on it. Dolphins striking first. Beautiful Tannehill. Alright. Hit number 2. Ooh. We love 101s here at Cardboard Hobby. We got a National Treasures. Calvin Ridley, DJ Moore 101. Both Nike patches. Falcons and the Panthers. Wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful 101 Calvin Ridley, DJ Moore, both Nike patches. Falcons, Panthers. Let's check ownership. Falcons are owned by Nick Tesla 7. Panthers are owned by GVSU 333. So we got a random. We will do that random here momentarily. So we do have a random coming up here. Beautiful 101. We love 101s here at Cardboard Hobby. That's gorgeous. Really like that a lot. Beauty. That will be a random coming up here right after our last hit here. All right, and hit number 3. Here we go. Oh my. Ezekiel Elliott, 10 out of 25. Look at that patch out of Flawless. Dual diamond. On-card auto, beautiful Ohio State 4-color patch on the right, patch on the left. And that is 10 out of 25. Get the camera to Pay attention. There we go. Wow, look at that Zeke. Unreal. The Cowboys, congrats. That is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Beauty. Dual diamond out of flawless. Beautiful patch. 10 out of 25. Wow, the Cowboys. What a hit for the Cowboys. All right, let's set up for your random here. All right, we got the Falcons and Panthers in here. This is for your National Treasures 101. Calvin Ridley, DJ Moore, dual Nike patches, 101 at National Treasures. Gorgeous. Falcons and Panthers. We go 5 clicks here at Cardboard Hobby. Whichever team is on the top after the 5th click will be the winner, so good luck. Let's do this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Here we go. Good luck. That's 5 times. Congrats to the Panthers. You are the winner of the 101 National Treasures Calvin Ridley, DJ Moore, dual Nike patches. Congrats to the Panthers. All right, just a quick run through of the hits here, guys. Again, we had the beautiful Ezekiel Elliott on-card autograph, beautiful patch. 4-color patch on the right, 10 out of 25 out of flawless, going to the Cowboys. We had your Ryan Tannehill, 2012 Topps Chrome rookie with the Beckett authentic autograph on it. Beauty for the Dolphins. And we had your 101 Calvin Ridley, DJ Moore, dual Nike patches. As well. Guys, thank you so much for breaking, guys. Really, really appreciate it. Really means a lot. Still got another break coming up at 11. Full-size helmets, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I'll be sticking around in case if you guys have any questions. Appreciate it.